Hi you guys, I hope you guys are excited for this vlog because I was way much excited for my birthday. So whatever you are seeing right now on the screen is totally handmade by my bhabhi. She did so much of mehnat and so much of preparation, and it turned out to be very beautiful. I am totally gonna use this as my YouTube background from now on. So I got this card, this beautiful jar with 25 memories because I turned 25th this year. So yeah, this is all we did before my birthday started. Like, it was around 11:30. We were just goofing around in the room and trying to do chill session with family. So I was surprised to see this. I wasn't really expecting this. So yeah, my bhabhi did all the manner. Thank you so much, Mansi. This was amazing. And right after that, when the clock strikes 12, this happened. So Vivek and Jinal came over with this beautiful balloons, this amazing looking cupcake basket which looked like flower, trust me. Then this beautiful cake which has makeup all over it, and it tasted amazing. Okay, now this is me in my oversized t-shirt holding the balloons, and then we also cut the cake just like our birthday rituals. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you can't already tell from the title of this video, this is going to be my birthday vlog. I don't know how much I'm going to able to film, but we'll try to film as much as I can just for the documentation of my life. So yeah, I'm already ready. You must have seen the glimpse of the celebration we did last night. Vivek and Jinal came over and we just had fun last night, and today it's around like 2:30 in the noon and we just got ready, and now we are heading somewhere out and just chill. So I'm gonna quickly show you what I'm wearing today, and then we'll move ahead with the whole day. So yeah, stay tuned. If you're interested, then please keep on watching. So this is what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing this easy breezy dress from Ajio, and I'm carrying this bag which I got from AliExpress, and I'm wearing this watch from Titan. And yeah, that's all I have to tell about my outfit of the day. So yeah, and I'm gonna wear my juttis, obviously not the slippers which I'm wearing right now. So that's all. For some reason, so we couldn't really go there. But almost reached the destination. The mountains you are seeing right in front of the screen is where we were heading to, so that's where we were supposed to go. So it had like steps or stairs case to climb over, and the surrounding has become so amazing here in Kutch due to the heavy rainfall. We were really enjoying the view, and whole vibe was different because we don't really experience this much in Kutch, but we are really lucky this year that it has been raining so well, and we are able to see such beauty of nature in Kutch itself. So enjoy. Place is really amazing.
फोन करो तू
हाँ स्ट्रॉबेरी वाली છે ને थैंक यू का आइसक्रीम ना લીધી हेलो 10-11 I'm here after ages, dude. We're gonna try some new dishes which I've been eyeing on them since forever. So we have reached 10-11. Familiar place. Used to be one of my favorites. Normally I wouldn't mind having people around in the restaurants, but this time because of the corona I was really happy that there was no one, literally no one except us, and it was quite safe for us to go there and have dinner because we went there around like 6:45 in the evening, so we were really early, so that's why you can't see anyone over there, and that's what we were looking for. Actually we never wanted to go somewhere really crowded. So yeah, that's a great thing. So now enjoy some clips of the food we ordered, and it was amazing. Okay, do try 10-11 if you are in Bhuj or anywhere near Bhuj, or you are willing to come Bhuj someday. You should visit 10-11. So we ordered this French fries dosa, then the Mexican papad which you saw earlier, and this pizza puri. All of them were really delicious. So now it's time to say goodbye to this lovely people. It's really hard, okay guys, it breaks my heart into million pieces. Jai Shri Krishna, jai Ambe, jai Ravicima, jai Veram. Bye, take care, शांति से drive करजो भले. Bye. जाओ. हाँ भले जाओ हेलो. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my birthday vlog. I will make sure to make more vlogs in the future. Do like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We are close to 800 subscribers. I hope we finish that soon, and yeah, you just saw the thunder. Okay, bye.